Hi, my name is Patrick. This is CAT 22 slot 1 second set of DLR solution. Right. So basically looking at the best approach to solve the sets. What is the process of solving and how to go about solving the CAT sets. So I have scored 100% 7 times in DLR and overall 6 times. So we have a course which talks about DLR where we solve 1000 CAT level sums to understand the process of solving DLR to help you solve faster. Same with Quant, we have a Quant 1000 course solving 1000 CAT questions, and a mentorship course which involves everything plus verbal plus mocks and feedback. Anyway, coming to this particular sum, if you look at it, the first step when you go to a set is read the set properly and try to put the data properly as such. So let's try to look at it. Go to the set first, try to solve on your own, and then you look at the solutions. So I will just note down whatever is important. To get more space, I've just copied it in one more sheet. So all trains, if you look at it, stop for 2 minutes at each junction. So I'm putting junction as 2 minutes, right? And the other spots as 1 minute. I'm noting down everything so that I don't have to read it again. It takes 2 minutes to reach the next station for trains going from east-west direction. So if I'm going from east-west direction, so between two stations it takes 2 minutes for me. And 3 minutes to reach the next station if it's going to north-south direction. So I'm going from north-south direction, each gives me 3 minutes. Yeah. From each terminal station, the first train starts at 6 a.m. and last train at midnight. So 6 a.m. to midnight is where the trains are moving in either direction. So both 6 a.m. to midnight. Otherwise, during the service hours, there are metro service every 15 minutes in a north-south direction. So then look at north-south direction, services every 15 minutes. Whereas if I'm going 10 minutes in the east-west direction, if I'm going east-west direction, it is 10 minutes. A train must rest for 15 minutes after completing a trip. So rest is 15 minutes. So I've noted down everything what is required in my whatever diagram I have. So I plot the diagram roughly and then try to put this. Now once I've noted down everything, I look at the questions. I don't have any other data which is there. I have to go back to the passage. So try going back and reading the passage again and again. It is sort of a waste of time. Let's start. If Hari is ready to board the train at 8:05 a.m. from station M. So I'm going from station M. I want to reach station N. Now try to look at data which can be used again and again. Normally from traveling from one node to second node, you may use data. So we calculate from one node to a second node. So time to go from M to R, there are 3 stops in between. 3 stops will take me 3 minutes plus 2 minutes to travel between stops. So 2 minutes to travel between stops, 4 times you have to go, plus 3 stops for 1 minute. You look at 11 minutes. So this will take me 11 minutes to travel from M to R. From R to S, if you notice there are 9 junctions, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That will take me 1 minute each to stop at that 9 junction. Plus there are 10 routes which are there, which will take me 2 minutes each. So this will take me 29 minutes. So I have 11 minutes out here, I have 29 minutes out here, and then in the last I have 6 routes and 5 junctions. Again 5 into 1 plus 6 into 2, 17 minutes. So total time to go from M to N is 11 plus 2 minutes at R, 29 plus 2 minutes at S plus 17. So I'll put it out here. It will be 11 plus 2 minutes at R, 29 plus 17 minutes, plus 2 minutes at S and plus 17 minutes at S. So if you look at 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 29, if you look at it comes to 48, right? 48 plus 250 plus 11, around 61 minutes. So 61 minutes to go there, that is 1 hour 11 minutes, right? 1 hour 11 minutes after 8:05. I'll repeat this again. 1 hour 1 minute after 8:05. Total 61 minutes. So when you say 61 minutes, it's basically 1 hour 1 minute after 8:05. But the first train is at 8:10. So 8:10, because every 10 minutes you have a train. So you catch a 8:10 train, so you'll reach at 9:11 after 61 minutes. So answer will be D. I'll repeat this again. So when you go from M to N, so you look at M to R takes you 11 minutes plus 2 minutes at R, 29 minutes to go from R to S plus 2 minutes at S, S to N will take you 17 minutes. So total of this time takes you 61 minutes if you add it up. 61 minutes is 1 hour 1 minute. But train will start every 10 minutes from M. Remember, it starts at 6 a.m. So 6, 6:10, 6:20, 6:30, 6:40 every 10 minutes. So that means train will start at 8:10. 8:10 will start. 8:10 it will take 1 hour 1 minute. It will reach at 9:11. D option. Right. Okay, let's go next. If Priya is ready to board the train at 10:25 from station T, then the earliest to reach station S. So I can go from T, I can go to R and then go to S. That's one route. Or I can go from T, I can go to V and then go to S. Second, two options. So I'm starting at 10:25 a.m. I'm taking 25, I'm not ignoring 10. So 25 I'm starting at T. So say I have to go to R. What's the earliest train I can catch? Again, look at the time taken from B to T. So 3 routes, 3 minutes plus 2 junctions, 1 minute, it's 11 minutes. 11 minutes plus 2 minutes at T. So the trains at T will be, look at B, it will start at around, let's say 10, 10:15, 10:30 and so on. So if it starts at 10 o'clock, you can leave T at 10:13. Okay, if you start at 10 o'clock, because 11 minutes to travel to T and 2 minutes stoppage at T. So you can leave T at 10:13. So you can leave at 10:13 or 10:28 or so on. Since I'm ready to board at 10:25, I'll catch a 10:28 train at T. If I catch a 10:28 train at T, I'm putting 28. I will take how much time to go from T to R? Again, 4 routes, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15 minutes it takes me. So I'll reach R at 28 plus 15, 43. Now at R, what time can I catch a train? Now at R, if I'm starting a train at M at say 30, I'll reach R at 41 and I can leave the train at 43. So at 43 I can catch the train again. Remember, if I start M at 30, 11 minutes to reach R, that is 41 plus 2 minutes stoppage time, 43. I can catch a train at 43. And if I catch a train at 43 without any wastage time, I can reach S at 43 plus 29, okay, which is 72. 72 is nothing but 11, 12. Okay, 72 will be after 10, 72 is nothing but 60 minutes is 1 hour plus 12 minutes will be 11, 12. Now I'm looking at a route of TVS. If I'm going from TV, okay, so when can I leave from T? Remember, I'm ready at 10:25. If I look at train starting at T at 10:20, it will leave T at 10:33. I can't catch a train. No, I can 10:20. I'll leave at 10:30. I can catch. If I look at a train starting at P at 10:10, it will leave T as 10:23. 23 I can't catch because 25 I am reaching the station. I repeat this again. If I am at train from P starting at 10:20, I can catch the train at T at 10:33. It will leave the station 3 at 10:33. Why 33? Because 11 minutes to reach station T plus 2 minutes stoppage time. So it will, if 10:20 train will leave at 10:33, which I can catch. The previous train will be 10 minutes before 23. I will not be able to catch because I am ready at 10:25. So if I am here at 33, it will take me 29 minutes to reach V. Okay, that will be 62. If I am at 62 at V, okay, now understand this. I can actually directly mark 11, 12 because here there is no wastage of time and I have started earlier out here from the first route. Here I am starting later and there could be a waiting time. So I know that 11, 12 would be the answer. But just to confirm, let's look at from V, what time can I start the train? It will be the same. I can start at 13, I can start at 28, I can start at 43 and so on. I mean every 15 minutes. So the train which I can catch from V, okay, is the one which will start from D at around 11 o'clock. If it starts at 11, it will reach V at 13. So I can only catch at 73. This is nothing but 11:02 I reach. I can catch the train at 11:13. And if I catch the train at 11:13, it will take me 15 minutes to reach S. I will only reach S 11:13 plus 15, 11:28. But 11:28 is after 11:12. So 11:12 will be the answer. So I'm looking at both the routes and trying to find out. You can calculate both. If you can find out that the first route is the correct answer because no waitage time out here and earlier leaving, you can directly mark the answer. Or you can calculate. If you are comfortable, you can calculate quickly. No problem. Next, Haripriya is expected to reach station S late. Okay, what is the latest time he must board at S? So latest time to board at S, right? So basically he's taking a route which is BRS. Let me put it BRS. So he needs to reach reach B at before 1 o'clock. You need to reach before 1 o'clock. Now to R, how long will it take? 11 plus 15 plus 2. B to T is 11 minutes. 2 minutes T is stoppage time. T to R 15 minutes. To 28 minutes. 28 minutes means 12:32. Before 12:32 you should leave R. Then only you will reach B before 1 o'clock. But remember it is 1 AM after midnight. So last train that leaves A is at 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock, which at R will be 12. This is 11 minutes. 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 minutes. Which will leave R, okay, at 12:13. The last train to leave A is 12 o'clock, which will leave R at 12:13. So 12:13 is what train I can catch. So I should reach R at 12:13. If I have to reach R at 12:13, I have to leave S at what time? 12:13 minus 29 minutes. Right? 12:13 minus 29 minutes, because it takes 29 minutes to travel from S to R. So if you calculate that, 16 minutes before 12, which is 11:44. So 11:44 I have to leave S. 11:44 I have to leave S at least. But I have to check whether there is a train at 11:44. What time the train will leave at S? Remember, if a train starts at N, 17 plus 2 minutes leaving time, it will leave at 19. So 11 o'clock train will leave at 11:19. There will be a train at 29:39. So latest train I can catch is 11:39, because every 10 minutes there is a train. Train from N, if it leaves at 11 o'clock, 17 minutes to reach S plus 2 minutes staying time. So it will leave at 11:19. And every 10 minutes there is a train. So the latest train I can catch is at 11:39. So I need to be there in the station at latest by 11:39. What is the minimum number of trains that are required to provide the service on AB line? So let's look at AB line. Suppose I start at 6 o'clock at A. Okay. When will that same train start at B? I have to check out. So how long will it take to reach B? 11 plus 15 plus 11. Right. Okay. To reach B, it will take me 11 plus 15 plus 11. Add it up. It takes me around 37 minutes and plus 2 minutes stoppage time at R and T. Remember. Right. 11 plus 15 plus 11. That will give you 37 minutes. Plus 2 minutes stoppage time, so which will be 41 minutes. So 41 minutes to reach B. So I start at 6 o'clock at A. I will reach 6:41 at B. But I can't immediately start from B. Okay, because 15 minutes stoppage time. So I can only start after 6:56. Which means I can use the train for a 7 o'clock train at B. I can use that same train at 7 o'clock train at B. Which means from 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, I need 4 trains from B before I can use the same train from A. Okay, 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, I need 4 trains from B before I can use the train from A. So 4 trains from B and I require 4 trains from A. So 8 trains will be required for me to run the AB line. So 8 will be the answer in this case. Right? So before I can use a train starting from A, okay, which starts at 6 o'clock, I can only start at 7 o'clock from B. So I need 4 trains from B. Similarly, the train that starts from B at 6 o'clock can be used from A only at 7 o'clock. I need 4 trains from A, 6, 6:15, 6:30, 6:45. So 4 trains from A, 4 trains from B, I'll require 8 trains. So 8 is the answer. Next, what is the minimum number of trains that are required to provide the service in the city? So I know AB line is 8 trains. So CD will be the same 8 trains. Now let's look at MN line. If you look at the MN line which is there, okay, How much time does it take from train starting at 6 o'clock am to reach N? It will be 11 plus 29 plus 17 plus 4. If you add it up, it is 57 plus 4, which is 61. Right? I repeat, 11 plus 17, 11 plus 29 is 40, 40 plus 17 is 57, plus 2 minutes at RNS, 61 minutes. Which means I can use the train at N basically after 15 minutes stoppage time. So at minute 7:1 I'll reach. At 7:1 I'll reach. I can only use it after 7:16, which means I can use the train at 7:20 because 7:20 there's a train. Till 7:20 all the trains will have to be a new train from N, which is 6, 6:10, 6:20, 6:30, 6:40, 6:50, 7 and 7:10. So you will require 8 trains to start from N before you use a train from M, which you can use only at 7:20. So when 8 trains from N, similarly 8 trains from M, it will be 16 trains we'll have to use. So 16 trains for this route, 16 trains for this route. Total will be 16 plus 16 plus 8 plus 8, 48. So answer will be 48 for this. I'll repeat this again. So if you look at train starting from M, when can I use it again at N? If I'm going from M, it will be with me total time I'll reach at 7:1 at N because of 11 plus 29 plus 17 plus 2 time waiting time. 7:1 but 15 minutes rest time which is there. So 7:16 I can use the train, but there is no train at 7:16. I can use the train at 7:20. That means from 6 to 7:10 I have to use new trains at N, which is 8 trains. Same with the train starting from N at 6 o'clock, I can use it from M only at 7:20. So I require 8 trains from M, 8 trains from N. To run this line I require 16. 16 plus 8 plus 8, I require total 48 trains to run the whole route. So answer will be 48. Right. Here because of lack of space, I've just put it a little cramped. In the examination you need to be a little bit spread out. I mean use proper space so that you understand what you're writing, etc. Also ensure you don't read the set again and again. It's a waste of time. If you want to really be fast and do quickly, ensure that you try to do it in one reading. Okay. Also putting the data systematically and putting whatever is required properly helps you to solve faster. Right. So we'll build up more processes that will help you to solve questions quickly. Right. If you want more such videos, ensure that you subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to CAT preparation. Thank you.